Alright, so today we're going to be constructing a scale factor of 1/2 using our compass and straight edge. Now for this, the first thing we're going to create is we're going to create a midpoint. So to create a midpoint, we first want to make sure our compass is more than half of the line that we're going to create that midpoint for. So just extend this, bring it out a little further, make sure that it's more than half. Okay. Then you want to pick it up and go to the other end of that line. So now our center of the circle is on X. And go ahead and create that point. Now if you notice here that the lines don't meet, just go ahead and go back over the line. It doesn't meet to extend it. Okay, now we have that extension line. Now we want to find that midpoint, so we take our ruler. And we want to make sure that the ruler goes through. So here we go. So once we have these two points of intersection connecting, point here, point there, now where that line is, we want to make a point for the midpoint. Okay, so here's our midpoint. And we want to call it, let's call it Z prime. Okay. So again, we're doing a reduction, so it should be half. So we know that the midpoint cuts the line into two equal parts, right? So it cuts it in half. Okay, so now we have a midpoint for Z. Now the next midpoint we want to make is we want to make a midpoint for line XY. So again, we go through the same process. We're going to use our compass for this one. Okay, we want to make sure our compass is more than half of the line XY. Okay, so this is more than half. You make it tighter. Okay, then here, let's just extend this one out to make sure it's going to be nice and so extend it there. Pick it up, go to the other end. And then get extended. And notice you don't have to extend it that far. You just want to make sure that the two lines or the two parts of the circle intersect. I'm going to grab our straight edge again. And we want to measure it out to make sure that we connect those two intersection points. So we connect this point here and this point there, and now we want to put a point here. Now understand, we could have used YZ as well. Okay, we could have used any combination of the two lines to make the intersection point. The fixed point for this scale is going to be X. Okay, so X is going to stay, and now we're going to call this Y prime. Okay, now last step would be to go ahead and connect Y and Z using the straight edge. And now we have triangle X, Y prime. Z prime is our scale factor. Okay? All right, thanks for watching.